Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and the time is around 4:30 a.m. GMT. So for today, we will be looking at the chart of Exxon Mobil. This is a 45 minutes chart, a short-term chart here, and we can see the bounce here to $73.12 is labeled as a wave X. Now since then we have resumed lower, as we can see right here, and the move lower here is nicely subdivided into a 5 waves, suggesting that this is an impulse structure right here, and we should be ending with A right here. So the fact that this is an X in blue and this is A in red suggests that we are in a double zigzag or double correction, and this will end a 5 waves down. After that we should get a bounce followed by further downside. So I think the overall this is looking for further downside. It's not to say that this is suddenly going to rally, therefore needs to be bought, because it is an impulse on the downside. So the bias still remains to be going lower. Okay, and if we go and take a look at the higher degree point of view, this is the daily. Okay, and we can see right here from April 23rd, right? This is April 23rd. Now, first of all, let's check out this one. This X in 73.12 is over here, right? 72. Let me see. 73.12 is here. My bad. It's over here, and then we are looking for another sort of move to the downside as an ABC. Okay, so if we take a look at it from the April 23rd, we can see right here we have a corrective structure. Looks to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 swing sequence. All right, and we got a couple of possibilities here, but we can see right here that the more likely scenario of the move from the peak here suggests that we could be doing some sort of a double correction in which we have 3 ways down. So perhaps we ended this W right here, right, in the higher degree like this. So we could label this perhaps as a zigzag, right? This could be a zigzag here. Okay, which ended a 3-ways pullback over there and ended W in the black. And then after that we got a bounce. Okay, we got a bounce ending an X over here, right? And then now we have resumed lower again in another a double correction. So this could be ending W here, for example, and so on. So overall, the cycle or the sequence from April 23rd here suggests for the downside is a possibility because of the 5 swing sequence. All right, now another possibility is going to be that this is a 5 ways down as a diagonal because of this new low. So this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ended with A here. Now if that's the case, then we could start to correct this entire decline from April 23rd, and this can start to turn low, to turn higher, to correct this entire move. So that's another possibility, but it seems like based on what the reaction from this peak is, as we can see in the shorter cycle earlier, this reaction is looking impulsive, so which suggests that most likely the sort of the correction is over, and then we are in a new sort of a new leg to the downside to resume this this decline right here. Okay, now as far as the target on the downside, of course the easiest one and the most conservative one is simply just the WXY here, which is 64.47. The 100% extension should be in the next sort of possible target on the downside, which is just simply a 3-ways pullback from here from September 17. All right, and then shorter cycle, again we should be ending a 5 ways down here quite soon right here, and then we should get a bounce, but the bounce, as far as the bounce stays below this peak, okay, which is what we saw earlier here, as far as the bounce stays below 73.12, then we can see another leg to the downside, and again the potential target should be around 64.5 to the downside here. Okay, so that's the update for XOM. Therefore, more downside is still expected. And if you enjoy this video, please do like and subscribe our channel. And if you want to know the further updates on Exxon Mobil or other stocks, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial. I will provide the link in the description of the video below. So see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.